There are not very many reasons to leave Montana. But there is one. And it's musky fishing. Today we are lure picking off of our musky wall for Lake of the Woods. Last year was the first time I fished Lake of the Woods and I fell in love. We're staying at Wiley Point Lodge in the Narrows, and incredible experience last year. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick out lures that I learned last year that really worked for me and move some fish. Every year is different, so what I ended up learning is there's something about that walleye color. Whether they're feeding on them or perch or whatever, that walleye color and that goldish, brownish color really worked well for me. Joe Bucher, this lure was awesome last year. This is what I caught the majority of my fish on, and you can see it's definitely very scarred. It's a walleye pattern, shallow raider from Bucher, Joe Bucher. So this one is retired, but definitely have some backup. And other colors in that same spectrum are again shallow raiders, so definitely want to have some of those. And throwing bucktails. So, and again in that same color spectrum of the golds and you know, browns and blacks, you know, right here, 6s and 8s and 10s, and these fat bastards and Cannonball Juniors are just phenomenal. You know, I've always liked black for surface bait because in any light they can see them. Also, I love these Wade's Wobblers. They're made in Minnesota. There's just something about these. I love Suics, and I'll definitely talk about Suics, but and of course, you've got to have Suics. From Livingston, Montana to Kenora, Ontario. We're gonna grab something to eat. Pretty wiped out, but we're gonna head to camp. It's like probably about 40 miles from here, so by boat. Load up the boat. Sunsets at 9:30, so hopefully we get there during light. All right.
Burning head?
Yep.
No. Here
Oh,
comes.
he's on it. He's on it.
Good call, Jody.
Oh, he's still on it. Still on it. He got it. Got it. Turn it back into him.
He's barely hooked. Get the hook. Get the net. Get the net. Get the net. Hit it. Hurry up. I'm gonna lose him. All right.
Awesome. Yeah.
That's all you. That's all you.
Dude, that's awesome.
He came from up under the
That's
boat.
awesome.
Nice work, man. Oh, I just hooked the corner of his mouth.
Got all of that.
That's a thick fish, man.
39. You want to check it? I can't.
That's 30. Now that's 39.
Ready? All right, it's a little guy. Put her back.
Solid fish, man.
You ready to go, baby?